Welcome to this video on the power of 10. We will be learning how to move numbers to make them bigger by multiplying by 10. Our goals for today are to see how numbers grow when multiplied by 10 and to practice moving digits left on a place value chart. Here are some important words. Multiplication is adding a number to itself many times. A factor is a number multiplied by another number. Pattern is something that repeats in a predictable way. Shift is moving something from one place to another. Can you grow a number? If you had $10 and a magic wand made it 10 times bigger, how much would you have? Numbers have a secret way of growing very fast. Before we learn to grow numbers, let's remember expanded form. It shows the value of each part. For example, 3,450 is 3,000 plus 400 plus 50. Remember that the place of a digit tells us how much it is worth. Let's do a quick check. What is the expanded form of 520,000? Pick the best answer. The correct expanded form for 520,000 is 500,000 plus 20,000. Great job if you got it right. This is the magic of 10. Every time we move a digitone spot to the left on our chart, its value becomes 10 times greater. A key point is that 10 ones is 110, 10 tens is 100, and 10 hundreds is 1,000. Watch the shift in action. When we multiply by 10, the digit jumps to the left. For example, 5 times 10 equals 50. The digit 5 moves from the ones place to the tens place. The pattern continues to grow, starting with 7 in the ones place. Multiplying by 10 shifts the 7 left to the 10 spot. Multiply by 10 again, and now the 7 is in the hundreds, becoming 700. Think about placing. Is it true or false that when a digit moves one place to the left, it is now 100 times bigger? The previous statement is false. Why is that? A. Moving one place to the left makes it 10 times bigger, not 100. Or B. Moving one place to the left makes it smaller, because it leaves the ones place. The answer is A. Moving a digit one place to the left makes it 10 times bigger, not 100. Remember the rule of 10. What about 0? 0 acts like a placeholder. It holds the empty spots so other digits can stay in their new, bigger homes. For example, in the number 60, 0 tells us there are no ones. Does this work for big numbers too? Yes. 4,000 times 10 is 40,000. The digit 4 simply hops from the thousands place to the 10,000s place. Let's review comparing values. 10 times greater means moving one space left, adding a 0, and the value goes UP. 10 times smaller means moving one space right, removing a 0, and the value goes down. Now let's practice a pattern. If we have 300 and multiply by 10, the new number is what? And where did the digit 3 move to? The answer is in the next scene. If you multiply 300 by 10, the new number is 3,000. The digit 3 moved from the hundreds place to the thousands place. It's a jump of one place to the left. Here is a mental math trick for multiplication by 10. Just write the number and add a 0 at the end. For example, 82 times 10 is 820. This works because every digit shifted left, leaving a space for the 0. What if we multiply by higher powers, like 100? Multiplying by 100 is the same as multiplying by 10, and then by 10 again. This means 2 jumps to the left. Think of the 10x scale like a ladder. Every step up is 10 times bigger. Multiplying by 100 reflects a distance of 2 steps on our place value ladder. Time for an ordering challenge. Arrange these numbers from smallest to largest value. 600, 60, 6,000, and 60,000. The correct order from smallest to largest is 60, 600, 6,000, and 60,000. Remember that the farther left the digit 6 is, the greater its value. Even huge numbers follow the rule. 100,000 multiplied by 10 equals 1 million. The digit 1 moves from the hundred thousands place to the millions place. When we move a digit left, its value gets larger, even though the digit itself looks the same. A 4 in the tens place is 40, but a 4 in the hundreds place is 400. Can you think of something in real life that comes in groups of 10? How does that help us count? Some real-world examples are fingers on our hands, dimes in a dollar, or blocks in a base 10 set. Skip counting by tens helps us reach big numbers faster. Skip counting by tens is just like multiplying. 10, 20, 30, 40. Every time you say a number, you've added another factor of 10. Review these jumps one last time before the final quiz. Remember that each place to the left is 10 times great. Final challenge time. Question 1. What is 450 multiplied by 10? Question 2. If a digit moves 2 places to the left, is it 10 or 100 times bigger? Question 3. What number is 10 times smaller than 80,000? Check the next scene for answers. Here are the answers to the Power of 10 challenge. Answer 1 to 450 multiplied by 10 is 4,500. Answer 2. If a digit moves 2 places to the left, it is 100 times bigger. Answer 3. The number 10 times smaller than 80,000 is 8,000. You are a place value pro. Great work! You now know how to shift digits and use the power of 10 to handle big numbers up to 1 million.